How to add connect Gmail account to iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add connect Gmail account to iPhone. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Scroll down and tap on the mail option, and now, in order to connect Gmail account to iPhone, tap on the accounts option you see there. Now, under accounts, tap on the add account option. You will then see the Google option, so go ahead and tap on the Google option. You will then be asked to enter your email address, so enter the email address you want to connect your iPhone with and tap on next. You will further be asked to enter your passkey, so go ahead and enter that. Once entered, tap on the continue button and in the interface that you will be led to, iOS will ask you the access to your Google account. So tap on the allow button and now select the options you want to sync information with and go back. And now as you can see, the Gmail account is added to my iPhone. So this is how you can add connect Gmail account to iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.